Hey everybody, welcome back. It's John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC, and today we're just going to go over how to change the propellers on your DJI Mavic 3 Classic. And if you're here because your drone took a little bit of a tumble, go ahead and check out my last video where I discuss what to do when you wreck your drone. So sit back, subscribe, and then let's swap some propellers. I had a pretty bad crash the other day where the drone actually smacked into the concrete, so I got my box of new propellers here. We'll get all the other propellers off and put new ones on. And now before we go replacing anything, it does need to be said that there are specific propellers for specific arms. As you can see, some propellers have a gray circle right there. Some propellers do not have a gray circle. So let's take a look at the propellers that do have a gray circle. We're gonna push down, turn counterclockwise to unlock. You'll see the gray circle underneath there. Push down, turn clockwise to lock for the gray circles. The propellers that don't have a gray circle on them, push down, turn clockwise to unlock, no gray circle. Push down, turn counterclockwise to lock. I had my drone for almost 2 months before I even figured that out. Like, why can't I get some of these propellers to go on?
What the crud?
And now that you are smarter than I am, let's take a closer look at how we're gonna get these propellers off and put the new propellers on. Replacing the propellers are actually very, very easy. We'll get down here. I'm gonna call this little part right here the bridge with the 3 little metal bolts. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take that bridge, push down on it, twist it clockwise, pull up on it. That's how it comes off. We're gonna take our other propeller, which you can see that has little legs right there, and those little legs go into those little slots, and we're just gonna push it down in here into our little slots and turn it counterclockwise, and then it's good to go. All right, that's one set down. Let's go ahead and knock out the other sets and get that taken care of. So I've got all my old propellers here. I'll just throw them back in the box, and those will be going in the trash. We don't need those anymore. And as far as replacing the propellers goes, that's it. You just have to make sure you watch for the gray circle and which ones don't have the gray circle. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. I would so greatly appreciate it. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. This is John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC, and I'll see you next time.